Alright, let's see if we can get this into test mode. This is a Whirlpool Cabrio washing machine, and powered on, and it's up at normal here. So I'm going to take it around backwards or counterclockwise one time. Go to 3 to the right, up 1, down 1, and all these lights blink down below. And I believe then you go around one at a time looking at the codes. Our washing machine is currently working, so I'm not really sure. I wasn't able to get the paperwork out today on this. You might be able to look up the schematic online. But as you go around, it'll give you different dots on the different sections according to whether there's an error or not. Let me show you that one more time. 1, 2, 3, up 1, down 1. It's almost like you have to do it rhythmically. Counterclockwise a full turn, starting at normal, and then go down 1, 2, 3, up 1, down 1, and these should start blinking. I hope that helps. Hit the like button or let me know whether or not that helped or not. I gotta see if I can get to the paperwork in the back. I just didn't have time today to do the to go digging for it. Alright, thanks for watching.